Hey bestie, what are we cooking today? On this blessed day, I came back home so tired. So then I decided to prepare something for myself, but I don't have any idea on what to prepare. You know, most time when you go out and you come back, you feel like preparing something. So what I felt like eating, I was not having money for it. So then I decided to cook this concoction stew, as you can see. So I'm going to be eating this with my rice. So I went ahead to use palm oil on this particular stew. Then I pounded my pepper. You can see my fresh pepper. I'm pouring it in. For that, I added my onions. So I sliced my onions, then added my salt. So after that, you go ahead and close. So for me, I like washing my mortar very well and use the water to, I'm going to use it to just dilute the egg. So I'm just going to pour my egg inside that water from the mortar. I'm just going to add my maggi, add my salt, and I'm going to just turn this. It's not like a difficult stew. It's just like a concoction stew, or I don't know what to call this. Back, I was so tired, nobody to cook for me. But I just feel like eating this kind of stew today because I came back, I was so tired. You know, this country itself is so stressful. Everything is stressful. So I decided to just make something at home, one or two items at home. Then I decided to just gather everything together. The stew is ready. This is looking demure. This is looking tantalizing already. You can see. So this is the beautiful face. I just came back. I just flinged my wig, flinged my clothes. I say it is time to cook because I have nobody to cook for me. I have to cook for myself. And this is me after cooking the stew. I think I've prepared rice. So I decided to just clean up the environment just like the good girl I am always. So whenever I'm cooking, I'm always there to tidy up. Learn this from me, those of you that don't know how to tidy up after cooking. This is very, very important. I also got a call from my friend. She said she's coming over, she wants to eat. I said, me, I don't have much to give. Oh, I just cook for my own belly alone. Oh. But she insisted to come. I said, okay, no wahala. As you're coming, just make sure you come with your own pot of soup. I told her to come with her own pot of food when she's coming. She was so hungry. Did I say anything bad? In this time of Nigeria, almost nobody would they give free food now. Did I do anything wrong, guys?